Section 4. AI as your learning partner learning objectives. By the end of this section, students will be able to 1. Understand how to use AI as a supportive study tool, not as a replacement. 2. Identify practical ways AI can act as a learning partner, explaining, quizzing, brainstorming. 3. Recognize the limits of AI in education and why human teachers and personal efforts still matter. 4. Develop a balanced mindset. AI for practice plus feedback, students for deep understanding. When many students first hear about AI apps that can solve problems, write essays, or explain topics, they ask, does this mean AI will replace my teachers or my own studying? The answer is clear, no. AI is powerful, but it is not a teacher, not a mentor, and not a replacement for human curiosity, effort, and creativity. Instead, the best way to think about AI is a learning partner, like a study buddy. How can AI be a learning partner? 1. Explainer of concepts stuck on a math problem. AI can walk through steps. Confused by a history event? AI can give a summary. Example: student, explain photosynthesis in simple terms. AI, it's like plants eating sunlight and water to make food. AI is good at explaining, but you still need to study deeply to understand fully. 2. Practice Buddy AI can generate quiz questions before exams. Duolingo uses AI to personalize your language lessons daily. Example: you tell AI, quiz me on world capitals, and it shoots questions to keep you sharp. 3. Brainstormer. When you don't know how to start an essay, AI helps with outlines. When you need project ideas, AI suggests possibilities. It's like a brainstorming friend helping you get started. 4. Editor Grammarly and other AI tools suggest spelling grammar fixes. They help polish your work, but the voice and argument must still be yours. What AI cannot do, even as a great study buddy, AI has important limitations. It cannot teach you discipline. You still have to put in the effort to revise and practice. It cannot motivate you. A chatbot can't replace encouragement from a teacher, parent, or friend. It doesn't always explain perfectly. Sometimes it gives wrong or shallow answers. It cannot sense your emotions. Teachers know when you're confused or stressed. AI doesn't. That is why teachers are irreplaceable. AI can assist, but human connections build learning. Building a balanced approach. The most successful students use AI like this. Ask AI to explain, then confirm with textbooks and teachers. Use AI to practice, then review with your own notes. Use AI for outlines, but write essays in your own unique voice. Use AI to brainstorm, but filter ideas with your critical thinking. This is what we mean by collaboration with AI. It is not AI or me. It is AI and me together. Horizon Tracks promise at Horizon Tracks, our guiding principle is that AI should never replace students. It should empower them. We designed our courses with insights from professionals at Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, AWS, and professors from Stanford, MIT, Harvard, Columbia, Swansea, Yale, and others. That means you are learning the best global methods to treat AI as a partner, safely, effectively, and responsibly.